This video will show you how to enhance video quality in effective ways. Video Enhancer uses the latest AI technology to allow users to improve their video's quality by upscaling their resolutions, sound qualities, and removing the video's background noises. Step 1. Move to the Video Enhancer's official website and download it for your Mac or Windows computer. Install the application, launch it, and click the Add File button at the upper left corner of its interface to access your target video files. Step 2. Enhance your video quality by upscaling its resolution, removing video noise, or optimizing its contrast and brightness. To do that, hit on the Video Enhancer button next to the Add File button and choose the Enhancer option. After that, checkmark the Upscale Resolution, Optimize Contrast, Brightness, Remove Video Noise, Reduce Video Shaking, or check all the checkboxes, and hit the Apply to All button. Step 3. Save the enhanced videos on your computer. To do that, you need to select the output format on the Profile menu button, hit the Browse button to select a computer location, and hit on the Convert button to save the enhanced video files. InShot is a powerful video and photo editing tool for iOS and Android devices. It offers video enhancing features such as speed controls, video trimming, merging, splitting, format conversion, filters, effects, and more. Step 1. Download the InShot application and install it on your device. Step 2. Launch the InShot app editor and select the Videos option from the 3 options on the application's home interface. It will enable you to edit videos using multiple effects to enhance your video's quality. Step 3. After selecting the video option, hit on the New button with the plus icon to enhance or create a new video. Doing that will lead you to the Video Gallery application. Step 4. Tap on the video at the upper left corner of your application's screen and choose the video clips you want to enhance from the application's interface. Hit on the blank option if you are creating the video fresh. Step 5. Add enhancing features to your selected video clips. These features include speed controls, video trimming, merging, splitting, format conversion, filters, effects, aspect ratios, and more. Step 6. Once editing the video is completed, give a title and a description. Select the ideal frame rate, resolution, and hit the Save button to save the enhanced video. PowerDirector is a free, powerful video enhancing application that can help you improve low-quality videos. Step 1. Download, install, and launch the PowerDirector application on your device. Tap on the New Project button to create a new project, and select the aspect ratio of your choice. Step 2. Start editing the video by adjusting the audio output, adding or removing background noise, and adding or removing sound effects and text. Step 3. To fix video quality, set it to its highest resolution. After that, hit Produce, and the video will be automatically saved to your device. CapCut can improve the quality of your video by fixing the video's aspect ratio, removing the annoying background noise, removing the video's blurry sections, cropping the video, etc. Step 1. Download, install, and launch the CapCut application on your Android or iPhone device. Grant the application permission to access your device camera roll. Step 2. Navigate to the New Project button with a plus sign at the center of your screen and tap on it. This will open a pop-up screen displaying the list of videos on the camera roll.